Okay, this product is exciting to me because it means I'll finally be able to hook up my submarine to the harbor Wi-Fi when I'm docked. You see, the problem was that my submarine, it's basically a big metal tube, like most subs are. And I have to admit, it made Wi-Fi a bit of a challenge, but not anymore because now I have Molex's Wi-Fi on metal antenna. The antenna covers the 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi bands, and as the name implies, it can be mounted directly on metal surfaces without compromising its excellent RF performance. The antenna has a compact form factor, and it can be mounted with either backside adhesive or screw mounting options for instant application, while the 300mm cable with an ultra-miniature coax connector makes for easy connectivity. The Molex Wi-Fi on-metal antenna is also waterproof, and even though it's probably not intended for a submarine, it's ideal for outdoor connected home and IoT devices or on commercial vehicles.